So the S4 is going to be facing this car, Audi S4 versus an Rsq3. So we're going to find out which car is faster, the 5-pot turbo engine or the V8 naturally aspirated. We're going to find out. Stay tuned, guys.
Heavy on the asset soldier, man. Loyalty over royalty, I know the vibe. Heavy on the asset soldier, man. Loyalty over royalty, I know the vibe.
Sorry, the lights ain't black, just the headlights ain't been put in yet. He's taking off his whole boot and everything because he's worried that we might beat him in the S4, but we'll find out. It's a taxi cab, don't worry, guys. This is a 2023 Audi Rsq3 which uses 400 brake horsepower, 2.5 litre 5-cylinder petrol engine. It also has 480 Nm of torque, 4-wheel drive and a snappy 7-speed automatic gearbox, which will help it to go from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. And this is such a competitive car, especially with higher revs. And not to forget that this is not an ordinary Rsq3, it is the Vorsprung edition.
It's about to go down.
First time driving the Audi S4. Boy, obviously the car's not fully done yet. Boy, he's after me. He is. See, to make sure that I've got my seatbelt on. I'm gonna go for a good run. Guys, we are keeping up with Rsq3s, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We are keeping up, man. Wow, that car is rapid though, that is. Boy, man, the S4 wants to go though. Right, one sec. First gear. We just dusted him.
Go.
1, 2, 3. Come on!
He's got more than 400 horses.
I think I lost my clutch, guys.
Got more than 400 horses in there.
I think I lost my clutch. I think I lost my clutch.
There's more than 400 horses in there. I'm done. Cut the show.
Let's go around. My clutch, man. Something happened to my clutch after that point, but we'll get used to it. I'm just saying, man, this car is rapid. Just looks like in first gear. I just left the Rsq3 just like that. The power just comes in very quick, and you guys have seen that this car is just no joke. I'll do second gear now. I'll do second gear. Come on, let's move. I left that second gear then. I don't know, but that was first gear. Do third gear. I'm on third gear. Yeah, sorry. Left, bro. Left it. Second gear, yeah? Alright. Bye! This car just goes, man. the tune, but we need to get back to the HQ because this noise is crazy. Look at that, he's not catching up.
He had a smile on his face.
Oh, that's enough guys, it's just too much sound. Oh my god.
I won.
Okay, alright. Let's go, bro. Huh? Let's go. Unfortunately, the video had to be cut short because it's getting a bit dark, so I think the race neck and neck. I think this car's first gear is madness. I got a bit shook because I thought I blew the gearbox off, as you guys have seen. But I think the Rsq3 top end, it will eat the S4. It'll just keep on going and going and going. Well, this, I don't know why it runs out of puff. Maybe we need a longer strip. Maybe we need to send it in a drag strip. Both cars were like equal in every way. You guys decide from the video. The Rsq3 is saying we should have done a launch control together, and then that would have been a difference. And saying that with the Rsq3 doing the launch control, that should gap the Audi S4. Because we couldn't do it on the roads, we're gonna potentially leave it to the drag strip in the next month. So again, you guys can decide on who do you think is going to win, the Audi S4 or the Rsq3. Put your money where your mouth is.
Me personally, I think it was neck and neck. I agree with you when it was like a rolling start. There's probably more surprises awaiting when that goes on the drag strip. I don't know. The Rsq3 it felt like it had no lag to it.
Yeah, it's instant power.
Instant power, yeah.
I was hearing it when you were like changing gears.
I'm not sure how that was because I was in that car.
Yeah,
in terms of the lag when you put your foot down and you was doing the horn to start the race. To be honest, it felt like it was neck and neck as well in that sense.
Nice. If it wasn't for the clutch, I'd do it again and again. But after that first gear, I was like, I'll just do second gear after that because I don't want to risk it. But that's the problem with manuals. There's more things to like mess up in, while the DSG you can't mess up. Every single race is consistent. Look at the gearbox and the car. Yeah, he's gonna be like chilling with one finger. I'll be like, bang! Maybe I might do it. I might. Who knows? I might.